Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev reporting live from my mom's garage. Guys, it's Monday morning. The crypto markets are pumping. I got some of the top news stories of the day, so you're definitely going to want to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to break it all down. Let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. But, guys, by looking at the markets, Bitcoin's sitting at 24,000, guys, up over 4% on the day, 3% on the week. Ethereum, it actually touched over 1,800, guys, at one point, up almost 5% on a day, up over 6% on the week. Super exciting news, guys. Now, if you're wondering why we're seeing this positive price action, well, there's a couple catalysts I want to talk about. The first, guys, check out this Blockwork story. Investors bullish over Ethereum merge, disinflation narrative. A successful merge could greatly reduce ETH inflation, and investors are buying options and staking Ether in anticipation. The network is effectively buying back shares of ETH, and it's destroying them, a crypto trader told Blockworks. Ethereum open interest has exceeded Bitcoin interest for the first time ever. After many delays, Ethereum proof of stake remains at least a month in a testnet trial way, but investors are already sending Ether in a bull run. The price of Ether gained 59% in July, more than tripling Bitcoin's 17% increase, according to the crypto exchange Kraken. Guys, investors are betting on a successful merge will greatly reduce Ether's inflation rate and possibly even turn the token deflationary. Derivatives traders are snapping up option contracts to profit from a potential upward push on Ether's price. All right, so that's a lot to break down, so let's talk about it. So, guys, I think sometime toward the end of September, Ethereum is supposed to be making the move to proof of stake. Now, what investors are doing, they're trying to front run this. They're trying to get their money in because... And I don't want to get y'all too excited. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this merge has been delayed multiple times. And frankly, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if it gets delayed again. Me personally, guys, I'm just constantly buying Ethereum. I buy Ethereum every week, and I like the price point that it's at now. But if this merge does happen next month and Ethereum does go to proof of stake and they burn off the old Ethereum tokens, making it deflationary, because if they're burning more tokens than they're creating, it is by definition deflationary. If this happens, we could certainly see Ethereum hit a new all-time high in the not-so-distant future. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but I want you to understand something, that the big money is here. We covered the BlackRock story. We covered that on this channel. The big money's here, and then what the big money likes is the staking services that are offered. So these institutions can buy Ethereum, stake it, and receive 5 to 6% interest on their money on a deflationary asset. It's insane, guys. It's insane that this might be, I talk about Solana, I talk about these NFTs, but really the move might be to buy Ethereum. Obviously I'm buying Bitcoin too, but the move might be to buy Ethereum, guys, because this could be big, and Vitalik, check out this article. The merge can make crypto payments mainstream again. So cryptocurrency payments sort of became less popular in 2018. Buterin said it's pretty clear the fees are one of the main reasons why. So yeah, guys, so as far as transactions on the internet and buying stuff on the internet, and I'm sure you guys have used credit cards to buy stuff before, and you've seen your credit card get declined, or, if you're a merchant, you've ever sold stuff on the internet, you're familiar with what a chargeback is, where customers dispute payments. This is the problem crypto solves. It's instantaneous settlement with no chargebacks, with no fraud. I mean, it really is the best system for transacting online. But like what Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum, was saying, it's because of the fees. It's because of the fees. So hopefully, guys, this merge can go smooth. But if you're trading these assets, I want to talk to you about something else. Because we have a couple catalysts coming up. So, where will Ethereum go? Will we touch over $2,000? Where will Bitcoin get back into 30,000s? I don't know. And here's one of the catalysts why. Check this out, guys. So the CPI numbers, the Consumer Price Index that measures the inflation for the country, the next release is to be August 10th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Guys, that's in 2 days. So when these CPI numbers come out, if inflation is higher than what's expected, I would expect to see a pullback on crypto stocks. I just would not be surprised on that. If the inflation is the same or is even lower, because our federal government has raised interest rates, and that was their plan to combat inflation by raising interest rates. Personally, guys, I don't think raising the interest rates is really going to combat inflation that much. I think they've printed too much money. So, but again, guys, let me show you an article that actually disagrees with what I just said, because as always, guys, this is not financial advice. So check this out, guys. This article was just posted 10 hours ago. Tesla CEO Elon Musk says inflation has peaked, but we'll have a recession for 18 months. Tesla CEO Elon Musk believes inflation has peaked and the U.S. economy will be in a recession for about 18 months. We do get a fair bit of insight on where the prices of things are going over time. The billionaire explains inflation is going to drop rapidly. The trend is downward, which suggests that we are at peak inflation. Our goal is that a mild recession for 18 months or something like that would be my best guess right now. So Elon Musk says we're in for an 18-month recession, but inflation, we're at max pain. That, we're going to see the price of things come down. We're going to see these inflation numbers go down. I disagree. And I hope I'm wrong. Guys. I hope everything's fine. I hope this inflation cools down. But personally, guys, this is why I disagree. Let me show you this next article, and I'll let you be the judge. So recently, the Inflation Reduction Act was passed, and you guys can go read this. This is on whitehouse.gov. A statement by President Biden on Senate passage of the Inflation Reduction Act. So yeah, guys, so they passed this bill. The statement, the Senate approved legislation on climate, tax, and healthcare. So again, guys, I read through it, and it just shows me that a lot of money is going to like wind turbines and solar and green energy, and I don't see how printing billions of dollars is going to combat inflation. That's just my thoughts, guys. I don't think these people know what they're doing. I have no faith in them, and that's why, guys, like I've said on this channel, all roads lead to Bitcoin. That's why I invest in Bitcoin, because I'm not going to let these politicians on both the right and the left continue to dictate our monetary policy, and they are the ones creating this inflation. They are the one, you see the rise in gas prices. You see, the crazy home prices. You see the crazy interest rates, guys. So that's my thesis, man, and I'll continue to have faith that, stuff will get better. But I think even Elon Musk says, a recession for 18 months. So we are in for some turbulent times, but hopefully we are at max pain. So anyway, next story, guys, some more positive news. So check this out, guys. Are you familiar with Robolox? I don't play it, guys, but it's like the #1 game with all the kids, and they are hiring a senior software engineer for Web3, and it's paying about $80,000 to $100,000 a year. So what I want y'all to think about is the most popular game that all the kids are playing that's making all this money. They're integrating Web3, crypto, and blockchain into the game. So super, super bullish news. One of those stories that kind of flew under the radar. Next story, guys. CocaCola partners with Polygon to launch a generative NFT collectible. So again, guys, another big company, Coca-Cola, partnering with Polygon. And as y'all know, guys, Polygon's one of my largest holdings on this channel. And I think what we're seeing, I think it was Mercedes-Benz had just partnered with Polygon Matic. Polygon is seeming to be the industry leader. They seem to be the industry. Like if you're a big industry, like, Coke or BMW, you go partner with Polygon. They're the industrial lead in blockchain for whether it be NFTs or just data storage, or, Polygon seems to be, the big business solution. So definitely bullish news for Polygon Matic, guys. We will continue to monitor this. Next story, guys. Another bullish news, Morgan Stanley job posting points to a wide range of crypto plans. So that's right, guys. This was just posted 5 hours ago. Morgan Stanley to dive deeper into crypto with new job posting. So Morgan Stanley's getting into crypto. Let's see what else we got, guys. Oh, I thought this was funny. We'll end the show on this, guys. This was interesting. We covered the BlackRock, the last couple episodes, but check out in 2017, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink calls Bitcoin an index of money laundering. Fast forward to 2021, why BlackRock is bullish on blockchain, but not Bitcoin. And then fast forward just a year later, BlackRock picks Coinbase to provide clients with direct Bitcoin exposure. Guys, you can't make this up. These institutions constantly do this thing called doublespeak. They say one thing, they do something else. As always, guys, I continue to dollar cost average in these markets, and the FUD, I just kind of shrug it off. But as always, if you made this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, guys. Drop me a 100 emoji in the comments. I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. And look, guys, I'm gonna be posting a video. I bought some stocks recently, and I sold some stocks. So I'll make a video breaking that down. Anyway, y'all, I'm out. Peace.